In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view in Todoist. If you're someone who uses Todoist to manage tasks and projects, the way your information is displayed can make a huge difference in how organized and in control you feel. Maybe you prefer a simple list, or perhaps you like grouping tasks in a way that visually makes more sense for your workflow. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change the view inside a project in Todoist, step by step, so you can customize it to your preference. First, open Todoist on your computer and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand side where your projects are listed. Go ahead and select the project where you want to change the view. Just click on the project name, and Todoist will open that project in the main area of the screen. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you have many similar ones. You'll usually see the project title at the top, along with all the tasks that belong to it displayed underneath. This is the space where we're going to adjust how everything appears. Now that your project is open, bring your attention to the top right area of the project view. Here, you should see an option labeled Display. This button controls how your tasks are arranged and presented. Click on the Display option to open the view settings. When you click Display, Todoist will show you different ways you can arrange your tasks. Depending on your plan and current setup, you might be able to switch between different layouts, such as simple lists or more structured views. This is where you can experiment to see which view helps you understand your task at a glance. After you click Display and choose your preferred layout, Todoist will automatically update how your tasks look in that project. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure it feels right for you. If it doesn't, you can always click Display again and switch to another option until you find a view that best matches your working style. And that's all you need to do. By selecting your project and using the Display option, you can quickly change how your tasks are shown, helping you stay focused and organized in a way that suits you.